para naman sa atin to.
Okay.
You know, it's important for us to play a very significant role in this movie because it talks a lot about our identity and us being a nation. So, nakakatuwa, timely because elections na.
Isa sa pelikula to na nagbukas ang daan sa atin para mas makilala tayo international. What is it?
It speaks a lot about being Filipinos, I guess, you know. Nakakatuwa lang because one of the things that I really prayed for was for Love to be given the kind of recognition in his own homeland. Kasi dami na napalulunan kung saan sa international festivals. Pero dito, he would win, pero yung anong ang alam ng tao, you know, he's an indie director, art house director. So malaking pasasalamat, you know, from the whole team na mabigyan si Love ng ganitong klaseng recognition because iba yung talino niya, iba yung alam niyang history natin, you know, coming from being a Rizalian, alam niya yung sinasabi niya. So I guess nakakatuwa na nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong exposure para sa isang pelikula na out of the box.
Yes. Pareho kayong magaling na genre dito, di ba? Alam namin pareho kayo magaling na actor. Pero how can you describe the friendship na nabuo sa inyong dalawa?
We've always been friends, Lloydie and I, and we have mutual respect, you know, in terms of how we are as actors and how we are as people. So dito na revive yung respeto namin sa craft namin, kung ba't namin ginagawa to, at kung para saan ba itong ginagawa namin. So I'm happy because Lloydie really gave it his best, you know, yung sa pelikula na hindi namin alam kung ano yung ginagawa namin, pero just because we believed in the material, we believed in Love, upon watching it after yung sa Berlin, naintindihan namin, kaya pala ganun, kaya pala hindi ina-explain yung Love kasi meron na siyang content, alam niya yung produkto niya, alam niya yung pinapagawa niya sa artista. We just have to play the part.